What's up? Today we're continuing the comparison between Figma Make and Anima and discussing LLM laziness. When I mean LLM laziness, I mean the concept in which when you ask an LLM to do more and more things, it will sort of lose their patience with you and do things that are less and less significant over time. This time I saved you the importing stuff. I have Figma Make and Anima with the same design that we always use. I'm going to start by asking them to change the primary font to a pixelated typeface, increase border thickness. Here's me asking this and this. Oh, that is definitely pixelated, although not all of it, but it did do a bunch of it. Looks interesting. Content is all there. Fun. Oh, interesting. It's not exactly pixelated, but it is different. Looks a little bit retro, which I didn't ask. And if you noticed, it left out a bunch of the page. It only kept features and the hero section. And that's the first thing we asked for it. Let's try and ask another thing. Let's use a blue and gray color palette, apply to all components. And same with Anima. It's worth noting that Anima did exactly what I asked for. It didn't change anything else. It didn't change the content, and it definitely did not drop part of the page. Oh, look at that. It changed the color palette to blue and gray, like I asked. So Figma Make took a really long time doing it, but it did change the color palette in a blue gray sort of thing. It still kept out the portions of the page from the past, so they're gone. Not sure what to make of it, but let's continue. Last bit is I'm gonna do update our entire design system to a Y2K retro tech vibe. See what happens. I'm gonna try to do the same to Figma and see what it does. Anima finishes first. It looks different. Is it Y2K retro? Could be. You call it that. Again, all of the portions of the page are here. The content remains the same. They tried to create what I asked for and did not change anything that I didn't. It's finally finished, and it did a massive change. Too much, actually, because nothing in here is from the original website. Nothing from the content, nothing from the guidelines. It's a completely new website that has nothing to do with what was here just a couple of minutes ago. Not sure if you chalk it up to hallucinations or LLM laziness, but if you look at Anima, which still has the original content, you would see that there's nothing from the content that's left. Well, there you have it. One last test. I'm going to upload from scratch, but instead of giving it orders one by one, I'm going to give all the orders that I gave before in one go. So here's Figma Make, and here's Anima. Let's see. Anima's done. It changed the color palette and the fonts. All the content is here exactly as it was. You could argue that it's not imaginative, but it didn't change anything that you didn't ask for. Now look at the Figma Make. It's beautiful and it's different and it really looks like Y2K retro, but everything is different. There's not one button, message, or piece of content that's the same. And by the way, it's shorter. They dropped multiple segments along the way. So call it hallucinations or LLM laziness. Figma Make changes it in a way that if you only wanted to see something for A/B testing on your website, Anima works. Figma Make, not so much.